Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, here we are now. Nigeria has degenerated to this level of comical debasement. The picture, of course, is the entire narrative of this particular video. Guys, I bring you this. Presidency releases photos of President Buhari washing his hands. So this is now what we're contending with, of course, the gold tap and everything with the Malam. And then they can, of course, will tell you that it's Jubril at Sudan or whatever it is that they're saying in those quarters. But again, the headline: Presidency releases photos of President Buhari washing his hands, and the photo is the narrative. But let's see how it's been captioned. As part of efforts to sensitize Nigerians on the need to wash their hands regularly during this global situation, the presidency this evening posted some photos of President Buhari washing his hands. So effectively, as I said, the photo is the whole narrative. Malam Buhari washing his hands, the gold tap and everything. I'm surprised that he's able to wash his hands by himself. I thought it was that frail, but apparently it still has that function. If only it was able to function higher than that. Conversations in the comment section. Malam Buhari is teaching you how to wash your hands. What says you? But before you come share thoughts on this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what lessons you've learned from this image that you are seeing on your screen of the president of Nigeria showing you how to wash your hands like a toddler. Well, he's in keeping with the climbs, of course, and I jest a little bit, but I find this guy ridiculous in most ways, and even in this way. So come share thoughts. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.